Now, I've said over and over again over the years that it is a legitimate function of government to help people that have that no one else to help them and that are not able to help themselves. Over the last 2 3 years, I can't tell you how many people within our business community, countless 30, 40, 50 different companies, have in talking said, you know, Governor, I can't find qualified workers. I said, what do you mean you can't find qualified workers? There are millions of people that are anxious to find jobs. They said, I can't find workers. So many of them will say, when we offer them a job, that, well, just call me back in several months after my 63 weeks of unemployment benefits have expired. Or they flunk the business pre-employment drug test. Again, virtually every business I know does random drug testing because people on drugs are less dependent and they put their coworkers, as Governor Perry said, at risk. We owe it to all Texans to structure our welfare and our unemployment programs in a way that guarantees that recipients are serious about getting back to work. That's why the Texas Senate, this next session, starting on January 8th, will address key reforms to ensure that our taxpayer benefits are being used for their intended purposes. Senate Bill 11, which was filed yesterday by Senator Nelson, and obviously if the number's under 20, it's something I have a high priority in, is a priority of mine, and it's the beginning of a new approach on TANF and unemployment benefits in the state. This bill brings the program back to its original mission. The original mission of TANF is to provide temporary assistance to qualified recipients and help them get back on their feet and back to work. This bill institutes screening so that if applicants are deemed to be at high risk, then they're required to be drug tested. And if they test positive, then they're disqualified for the program for up to 12 months unless they complete a substance abuse program which can be provided by Medicaid. It also prohibits retailers from accepting TANF benefits for the purchase of alcohol, beer, wine, spirits, tobacco, and lottery tickets, because every dollar wasted on these items is a dollar taken away from vital, very helpful other programs and our public education system. Again, our goal in TANF is to get our recipients back on their feet and back to work and back to self-respect. By strengthening our program and our job requirements, we're going to require recipients to be drug-free so they can re-enter the Texas workforce. And that's my goal. I know it's Senator Nelson's goal, and it's Governor Perry's goal, to get Texans back on their feet and back to self-sufficiency and self-reliance. I appreciate the support on this piece of legislation by Governor Perry. Thank you.